Hey, welcome back. I'm Janelle Flynn. Today I'm going to show you how to stop your warp from drawing in at the sides while you're weaving so that you can have a nice, straight, finished piece. Alright, so basically what we're talking about today is this problem. So as you can see, I wove in a few rows and already the warp has drawn in quite a bit. So first I'm going to show you why this happens and the wrong way to do it, and then I'll start again and show you how to keep it nice and straight. Alright, so now I've got this row woven in, and basically why this is happening is you're pulling it too tight. So when you pull it really tight, it starts to suck everything in, and yarn has a lot of give to it. So when you don't give it any slack, it just keeps getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And as I go, this will just keep drawing in. So I'll do a couple more rows. All right, so I did a couple more rows, and as you can see, it's getting even worse, right? Like it's just getting tighter and tighter, and soon this is gonna just be completely warped and wonky, and when you take it off the loom, that's not gonna fix it either. It's gonna stay in this weird shape. So I'm gonna take this all out now and show you the correct way to do it. All right, so basically what you wanna do is you don't wanna pull it tight like this. See how already that's drawing in this very side string? So you want to have the yarn flush up against it, just not pulled tight, because you also don't want to have loops on the side of your weaving either. So once you have that nice and taut, I usually like to pinch it, or at least just get it nice and lined up there. And then what you're gonna do is just create an arc. So this is gonna give you enough slack that things don't just get tighter and tighter. Now, if this was a really big weaving, you'd probably have a bigger arc. And then what I usually like to do is just draw it in the middle, and then you can go ahead and beat it down. And see, look at that. You can see that this is staying perfectly straight. And that's really all you have to do. And that's the same thing if you were weaving in roving, it's the same concept. You need to give yourself enough slack that you're just not pulling in those side strings. So again, nice and flush here. And what sometimes I like to do too is just pull that back slightly. Then again, create your arc and beat it down. And as you can see here, we don't have any loops. It's still touching this string, but it's not sucking it in at all. So I'll just do a couple more. And that's really all it takes. And the nice part about weaving is that if you really start to notice that it is sucking in significantly, you can always back up and try it again. And I really recommend that you do that, because you'll start to get a feel for how tight these strings can be and how they can't be too loose. It's just a nice even tension all the way around. And this is, you can probably notice, drawing in slightly, but as long as you keep pulling that back as you're weaving, it's not gonna suck in that same way. You don't wanna be so loose that you're gonna have loops along the side, because that's not gonna look clean either. But really, that's all you gotta do. I hope that was really helpful for you guys. If you have other questions, please post them in the comments below. You can always come on Instagram and ask me questions there as well. And this week, I'm gonna be doing a 5K giveaway on my Instagram account, so make sure you head over there and enter that. If you liked this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so that you get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And today I'm going to show you how to just like that.